This week we will be making banana cream pie. You will need 16 vanilla wafers to make 4 to 5 small bowls of banana cream pie. We'll put the wafers in a Ziploc bag and mash them up with a glass measuring cup. This will act as the crust for your pie and the first thing to go in the bowl. Then you will alternate layers of pudding and banana and top with Cool Whip. Bananas and other fruits like apples turn brown quickly because of the oxygen surrounding it. If you are serving this dessert later on in the day, you should put your bananas either under the pudding or under the Cool Whip or both. This allows the dessert to look more visually appealing, or else there will be brown bananas on the top of your pie. If you're going to eat it right away, you could put bananas on top as well. We are going to use Cool Whip, and Cool Whip is artificial and it freezes and thaws well. You can also refreeze it after you've thawed it. Cool Whip is faster than making whipping cream. We are using instant pudding because it is faster. Cooked pudding might taste better to some, but it takes longer because you have to cook the pudding and wait for it to cool. I hope you enjoy making your banana cream pie.